Thank you for viewing another great property offered by Gerald Ross, the running realtor. If you would like to see any homes you preview or simply need information about any property, just call, text or email me today. Huntington Meadows subdivision is conveniently located just off Mitlary Road in Northport, close to shopping and sought-after Huntington Place Elementary School. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac with a large flat lot and privacy-fenced backyard. Offering 1,559 square feet and an enclosed garage space for added square footage, this home is perfect for your growing family that needs extra living space, and best of all, it's perfect for your budget. Hurry, because at this price 2606 New Forest will not be available long. Call Gerald.